We are in Verdin Ground Central Cold Beer Store, okay? Verdin Restaurant at Manitoba, okay? It's 5:24 Esteban time, but Manitoba time is 6:24. Okay, guys, so we are go home after the 60 pipes or 90 pipes to finish today, this morning, because it's no free food, only the hotel for work. Okay, so this is part of the Verdin community. So subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming videos. So this is life in Canada. After work, if you're lazy to cook your food, you buy in the restaurant or online delivery restaurants or food chains. Okay, this is part of the Verdin, Manitoba. After crossing the Trans-Canada Highway, the longest highway in the world, okay? Cold beers, okay? The same Alexandra Hotel. I don't know where's the hotel location, so for now, this is our content just to show you what's life in Canada, okay? See you guys. Subscribe and click the notification for coming latest video.